You may have heard of the new program SERVPRO's offering called Certified SERVPRO Clean. Certified SERVPRO Clean is a proactive, recurring cleaning that business owners and property owners can offer that will augment their regular environmental janitorial cleaning that shows their employees as well as their team members that they're taking every possible precaution to guard against coronavirus. On a regular basis, SERVPRO would come in and use EPA-listed products that have been proven effective against coronavirus and apply them utilizing the 50-plus years of SERVPRO expertise in order to ensure that the strongest possible measures have been taken to guard against coronavirus. Additionally, Certified SERVPRO Clean allows the business owner or property owner to leverage the trust that SERVPRO has earned over 50-plus years being the leader in cleaning and restoration to say, we're going a step beyond. We are going to not only have regular environmental cleaning done, but we're going to augment that by bringing in the experts in cleaning in order to demonstrate to customers as well as our team members that we're doing everything possible to safeguard their health through Certified SERVPRO Clean. Certified SERVPRO Clean will also allow business owners, property owners to display that commitment through physical and digital signage to demonstrate your commitment level to next level clean.